Hello guys, guess who this pretty girl is? It's Kevin
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on foot. Oh, in a rise on board. Another banger. Make a call, make a bomb, 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 make a call, make a keep a tick.
Hold a hand and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to. Hold her hand and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through.
This one, hello, pretty girl. Please silently subscribe. I just wanted to say that the akara was really nice. So now I want to remove my Christmas decoration because it's already New Year. Time for it to focus on the New Year. So let's go. So I love listening to a podcast or a video while cleaning. So let's look for a video to watch. Not to watch, listen to, okay? Got my earpods.
Hold her hand and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the.
Hello guys, just kindly subscribe, okay? To my key here.
Hold her hand and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within her, call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley in the fire. Train her feet for running. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof, I touch, put up a guarding. Count to 10, lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire, fast forward to the grown things.
So guys, I have this for you. I posted these pictures on my status and this asked me to reply. A guy even said, just you carry this thing for your head. But please, I don't. What should I carry on my head? Is it you? I will always carry gold on my head every day. I even dance and I know video it. God. Anyway, watch out for my next video because your baby girl is back. Bye.